FlexSync classrooms are powered by Zoom Rooms software. These rooms enable participants to join your classroom from anywhere and hear what you are saying and see what you are showing. To join the meeting from the classroom, tap Join and enter your meeting ID and passcode. Your participants joining via Zoom will now be able to see and hear you, and you should be able to see and hear them. Each FlexSync classroom has 2 touch displays. The bigger of the 2 touch displays is for viewing and controlling Zoom. This display is labeled Zoom Touch Display. The smaller touch display is for controlling what is being shown to your participants. This is the same system that is in most of our classrooms, with just a few added functions, such as controlling the room camera. You can share your laptop, dock cam, or via wireless by connecting to the classroom audio-video system, and then selecting your desired source on the small touch display. The source you select will be shown to your in-classroom participants on the room projection system and to your participants viewing via Zoom. For your participants viewing via Zoom, you can swap between showing your room camera or the source by pressing the Swap to Camera button or Swap to Source on the small touchscreen. Additionally, you can maintain a glimpse of your source or your room camera by turning on PIP, which stands for Picture in Picture. This is turned on and off by tapping the button that says Zoom PIP is off or Zoom PIP is on. If you want to show your Zoom participants to your in-classroom participants, select Zoom from the Sources section of the small touch display. By choosing Zoom, your Zoom participants will be shown on the room's projection system. This option will be useful if you want a Zoom participant to be seen and heard by your in-classroom participants, such as for a presentation. This option will also be useful if you, as the presenter, need to present from a remote location. In this case, an in-classroom participant will need to start or join your meeting and then tap Zoom on the small touch display. To turn recording on your meeting off or on, open your Zoom settings by pressing the ellipsis icon, and then start recording or stop recording.